Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Information. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Like and comment on a video. If you have any information about mobile information or a mobile tech, so please open my channel and comment on a video. I will get the solution of the problem. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. It's informative channel. Let's start a video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a dark mode in a mobile phone. How we use it in our mobile phone and for which purpose we use a dark mode in our mobile phone. So let's start a video. How we open it in our mobile phone. First we discuss about it. So simply scrolling down the mobile phone display and again scroll down the mobile phone display. Now here the dark mode theme or dark theme option are present at the display of the mobile phone. So simply click on it. The mobile phone is converted into dark mode. All white color is converted into dark, and black color is converted into white. Most part of the mobile phone display are in white color, so therefore the white color is converted into black. This dark mode is usable in a mobile phone for extend battery life and protect eye from the ultraviolet rays in a mobile phone. It is one of the best options in a mobile phone. Many times we use a mobile phone at night time. So at night we are going to open dark theme in our mobile phone, which is best for our eyes, which protect our eyes from ultraviolet rays, which is danger for eyesight, and the eyesight is disturbed due to white light. How we remove it from the mobile phone display? So simply again scroll down the mobile phone display and click on dark theme. So the dark mode is again removed from my mobile phone display. This is my today video. So subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment on a video, and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.